Greetings, you lovely people. So I've come across another wildlife find. I'm working today for a client of mine on his farm, and I'm breaking up this concrete to release this metal bar. So I'm smashing it to pieces, and I come across this beautiful newt. I'm guessing it's some sort of newt. It's not big. I don't know if it's an adult or not, but it's absolutely striking. It's black. It's got luminous green patterns on it, and it's got a beautiful luminous orange stripe going down its back. Can you see that, guys? That is absolutely awesome. I don't know if it's a newt, a salamander, or a gecko. I have never ever seen one like this before in Portugal, but it's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to pick it up. I don't think it's poisonous. I should be wearing gloves really, but I'm going to be very gentle with it, and I'm going to put it somewhere safe. Look at those colours. Absolutely stunning. Wow. I will do some research and find out what type of amphibian or lizard this is. But it looks like some sort of newt to me, or salamander. Wow, beautiful, what a find. Okay, you're very lucky you never got crushed, mate, under that concrete. Okay, you lovely people, take care. Happy nature finding, happy farming, happy gardening. Take care now. Much love from Portugal. Adios.